Poplar plywood has always been a great solution for a wide range of uses. Because it is made up of thin layers of wood that are bound together at right angles, it's incredibly stable, light, easily workable, and eco-friendly. The problem is that given it's made of wood, it can burn easily. But what if a plywood panel existed with the highest level of certified fire resistance for wood? This is Fireshield by Garnica, a unique fire-resistant plywood panel. It keeps fumes low, slows down carbonization speed, and doesn't contribute to flame spread, even after sanding or cutting, thanks to an innovative treatment applied to the whole panel. Using plywood with the highest fire certification for wood in your projects, you won't have to worry about safety issues. That's why Fireshield is ideal for interior uses such as structures, flooring, walls, ceilings, and even for furniture. And coming from Garnica, it's going to have the quality, lightness, and usability you would expect from the European leader in poplar plywood. Check out the Garnica product range at garnica.one.